Dear aspirant, welcome to Current Affairs for UPSC by Saki. Today, we are going to discuss about the Regional Climate Center for Himalayas. Before we go into the topic, we can request you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will notified with my new videos and on. On the various topic of the science and environment, because these topics are very significant as I earlier told you. So because these topics are selected from the various important science magazine like Nature, Science Daily, Life Science, etc. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start with our topic, Regional Climate Center for the Himalayas. India is to establish Regional Climate Center in the Himalayan mountain region. The center will be provide weather-related information India and also its neighbors. Similar center is also being created by China on the either side of the Himalayas. So about the center. The hilly terrain of Himalaya include the Western Ghat. Basically, if we see the hilly terrain of our India, if we see Indian map, if we see India. So hilly terrain of our this area, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, these northeast means Myanmar. So these are the hilly region of our India. So let's see what are the hilly regions of India. So hilly terrain of India include Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, Myanmar Hills, and Northeast and Himalaya. Of these, Himalayas has the greater role in hydrology, disaster management, meteorology, ecosystem, and many other activities. We can simply call it we are depend on Himalaya. Basically, not India, but all South Asian countries. So that's why Himalaya is called water tank of the Asia. Or also Himalayan glacier is known as the third pole of the world. So the center will help to understanding the physical process that are occurring in the Himalaya. The melting glacier. Basically, main concern of the scientists and climatologists is the melting glacier due to the global warming and climate change. So the melting glacier in Himalayas is a major concern. This will impact on our food, agriculture, health in the region. The changes in glacier will bring upon the devastating effect on the fragile biodiversity of the Himalaya. The center will also monitor the glacier in the Himalaya. Because as you know, Himalaya is the most active zone of the world, active tectonic zone of the world. So that's why its biodiversity is also very significant. So the center will collect information about the precipitation in the Himalaya. Basically, the scientists observed in the recent year the changing precipitation pattern in the Himalayan region. So it had been observed in the past that northwestern Himalayan get more precipitation during the winter. Basically, northwestern Himalayas get more precipitation during winter. Basically, it is observed that it is due to the western disturbance. So, the rest of the Himalaya get precipitation during the monsoon. The pattern is facing changes at this region is warming at the faster rate as compared to the rest of the world. So heavy rainfall in the region. In recent year, it also observed the heavy rainfall in the region, basically in cloud burst and as like so heavy rainfall in the region leading to the cloud burst. Basically, we see in the Uttarakhand in recent news. So phenomenon affect the local industries, local agriculture, local biosystem. So therefore, the center will help to make required resilient measure to slow down these changes to provide information in the real-time basis. So, establishment of the center is important as Himalaya is the data sparse region because very less data available on Himalayan region. That's why still we don't know about the most of the area Himalayan biodiversity or glacier landform and etc. It is because the data is not available. So apart from the center, the only Indian research center, it is called Himans, also located in the altitude of high altitude in the Himalaya, is already undertaking the weather research activities in Himalaya in the past few years. So other effort. So what are the other effort taken by the government of India? So the Indian Meteorological Department and Ministry of the Earth Science have already taken a lot of initiative to augment the observational network in the region. So this include automated weather system, stations, deployment of radar, development of model. Basically, these model are related on the real-time data calculations. So these are the other effort by the Indian government. So we move further on the next section. Why this is important for the civil services examination or UPSC, basically preliminary point of view. So question for the UPSC. Consider the following statement. The precipitation pattern is facing changes as Himalaya is warming faster rate at compared that of the rest of the world. Number one statement. Number two statement is it had been observed in the past that the eastern Himalaya get more precipitation during the winter. Which of the above statements is correct? One only, A, B, two only, C, one and two both, D, neither one, not. Please write your answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel and see our next video for the answer of this question. So please share this video and subscribe my channel. And we further move our next section. It is called answer of the previous question. Consider the following statement. The Crew 1 is the second operational mission under the Commercial Crew Program NASA Demo 2. It is wrong. It is not second. It is first. Crew first is first commercial crew. Demo is not commercial. Second is Demo 2 was launched in May 2020 and it was carried out 2 astronauts to the international. It is right. So 1 is wrong and 2 is right. So which of the above statements is correct? 1, 2, 1 is wrong, 2 is right. Both So answer is B. So thanks for watching. Please tell your friend for our initiative. We will provide about 45 videos regarding the science and tech, geography, ecology and environment, which cover most of the part in the preliminary examination in the past 10 years after the syllabus changed. So hope we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Thanks a lot.